In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone won't charge. So the first step that you can do, first of all, is just check the cable and adapter. Just try a different lightning cable example and the power adapter. You can use Apple certified accessories only. If, for example, you are doubting something, and just plug into a wall outlet, not just a laptop or power strip. And this rules out damaged accessories. For the step 2 example, you can expect the charging port. Use a flashlight to check the iPhone charging port and gently clean it with a toothpick or a soft brush. Avoid metal tools because this could damage the connectors. Other than that, one of the things that works with a lot of people is force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 and newer, just go and press the volume up. Then, once you press volume up, click on the example volume down, then hold the power button until you see basically the Apple logo. So if you click on volume up, then volume down, then press the power button, this will basically fix software glitches that blocks charging. The step 4 is you can try wireless charging. If your iPhone supports it, try wireless charger. If that works, your lightning port might be damaged. And the last option that you can try, simply go into settings, then simply click on general settings. In general settings, of course, you can look for software updates and try to install the latest updates. If you have any updates, just go and install it. And if it's still not working, just try to reset all the settings. So you can go to the same general, scroll down example until you find transfer or reset iPhone, and try to go and erase all content and settings example or reset example your iPhone. So you can reset all settings or basically just erase all content. I wouldn't advise you to do that unless you check for sure that nothing is working, like your cable, your port is not working, and a lot of other stuff. If it's still not charging after all of that, I would advise you just to visit an Apple store or a local store that fixes iPhones, and you might have maybe a battery or hardware issue instead. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.